Welcome to TCI's DecisionLender 4 training series. This tutorial will instruct the user how to schedule reports to automatically run within DecisionLender. DecisionLender provides the ability for an administrative user to schedule report jobs to run on specific days and times, and automatically send the results to email recipients. How to schedule a report job. Log into DecisionLender. You are brought to the landing page. Click on the Utilities tab. Click on the Scheduler subtab. This will open the Schedulable Jobs page. To schedule a report, click on the plus sign. The Add New Schedulable Job page will display. Enter the job name. This is the name that will appear in the email subject. Note, the job name cannot contain any special characters. Enter a description for the job. Select the frequency of the report from the drop-down list menu. Enter the start and end date and time. This determines when the report will generate. Note, the date and time is based on the lender's time zone. Enter the interval. The interval works with the frequency to determine when you want to receive the report. For example, if the frequency is set to weekly and interval is set to 5, the report will generate every 5 weeks. For the job type, select Reports from the drop-down list. When Reports is selected, additional fields will display. Select the report name from the drop-down list. Next, select the report type. You can see a summary, details, or combined view. If you mark the Run Today Report checkbox, your report will only include information processed from midnight until your report runs. Note, if you want to run your reports during early morning hours, you should not check this box. If you do not check the Run Today report box, your report will include information from the last time the report was run until the next time the report runs. If you check Run Previous Week Report, your report will only include information processed the previous week, starting from Sunday 12 a.m. to Saturday 11:59 p.m. Check Run Previous Month Report if applicable. Note, if you want to run a month-end report, check this box. If you would like to create a report scheduler job using a look-back period, enter a look-back period up to 90 days in the Run Since Days Ago field. Enter a value up to 90 days in the 4-day span of field. This field works with Run Since Days Ago and determines how many days should be included in the report. The delivery method will default to email once the report name is selected. Enter the email address for the recipient of this report. Multiple addresses may be entered, but must be separated with a comma. If you are using an email from the contact list, mark the checkbox if it appears. If the report being scheduled currently has filters, the checkbox will appear once you select a report type. If applicable, enter the branch name. If the Deliver When Empty checkbox is selected, the system will send out an email even when there is no data returned in the report. The attachment will be empty, showing only the header information. If the checkbox is not selected, the system will not send an email when there is no data in the report. If the Do Not Include Time in File Name box is selected, the time, hour and minute, will not be included in the file name. If the checkbox is not selected, it will be included. If the email attachment should be zipped and password protected, mark the Enable Zip Encryption checkbox and enter a zip encryption password. When completed, review your information. Then hit Save. The report job will now be successfully added to the scheduler. To add another report job to the scheduler, click on the plus sign again. How to modify an existing report job. From the main dashboard screen, click on the Utilities tab. Select the Scheduler subtab. This will open the Schedulable Jobs page. Locate the report job that you would like to modify. Click on the green Edit icon in the Action column. All fields can be modified, with the exception of the job name. Make your changes and click on the Update button. The job is now successfully updated. How to stop or delete an existing report job. From the Schedule Jobs page, locate the report job that you would like to modify. Click on the Stop icon, which resembles a pause button. The scheduled job will successfully stop, and the status will change to inactive. To resume the job again, click on the Resume icon, which now resembles a play button. To delete the job, click on the trash can icon. This concludes the tutorial. If you need further assistance, you can contact TCI Client Support at 1-800-492-2001, option 3. Thank you for choosing TCI's DecisionLender.